Looking for a reliable way to blast away dust without the hassle of canned air? The POMELS Compressed Air Duster delivers an ultra-strong airflow reaching up to 110,000 RPM, making it your go-to tool for deep cleaning. Whether it's keyboards, laptops, or car vents, this electric air duster removes dust effortlessly and without any pressure loss. What sets this air duster apart is its versatility. Equipped with 5 nozzles and 4 brushes, it handles everything from delicate electronics to inflating balloons and air mattresses. Plus, the built-in LED light illuminates tight or dark spaces, so you never miss a spot. It's an all-in-one solution for home, office, and outdoor cleaning tasks. Powered by a high-capacity rechargeable battery, this device offers long-lasting performance on a single charge. Thanks to Type-C fast charging, you can quickly power up wherever you are. Use it to clean car interiors, fans, or shelves, and even to boost your barbecue fire. The powerful airflow also makes inflating swim rings and other inflatables a breeze. Enjoy cordless freedom with a lightweight, ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. The 3-speed adjustable setting gives you precise control over airflow, perfect for delicate electronics like your PS5 or for tougher jobs outdoors. No cables to limit your reach, just convenient, powerful cleaning wherever you need it. Choosing the POMELS Air Duster means opting for an eco-friendly alternative to wasteful canned air. This reusable tool saves money over time and reduces environmental impact without compromising on power. It's a smart, energy-efficient upgrade for anyone serious about keeping their space dust-free. If you want a dependable, multifunctional air blower that combines power, portability, and sustainability, this POMELS Compressed Air Duster is worth a look. It's designed to make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective, no matter the job or location. Ready to replace your canned air with a rechargeable, cordless solution? Try the POMELS Air Duster when you're ready to experience powerful airflow, versatile tools, and eco-conscious design all in one compact package.